Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Turo for passive income step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Turo account on their website or app. Ensure you provide all necessary information, including your email, phone number, and payment details. Next, confirm your identity by uploading your driver's license and a profile picture. Once your account is set up, research your local market to determine what types of vehicles are in demand. Consider listing a car that you already own and rarely use. Inspect your vehicle for cleanliness and maintenance needs before listing. Take high-quality photos of your car from various angles to enhance your listing appeal. Write a detailed description that highlights your car's unique features and benefits. Set a competitive price based on your market analysis and similar car listings. Decide if you want to offer delivery options, as it can attract more renters. Make sure to review Turo's insurance options and choose the right coverage level for your needs. List your vehicle and keep track of any inquiries or bookings you receive. Respond promptly to potential renters to enhance your booking chances. Before confirming a booking, review the renter's profile and ratings. Once a booking is confirmed, prepare your vehicle for pickup or delivery. Conduct a pre-trip inspection with the renter to document any existing damages. After the trip, assess your car for any potential damages and report them to Turo if necessary. Collect payment and earnings through the platform, and monitor your rent history periodically. Consider expanding your fleet by adding more cars if you find success with your initial listing. Stay engaged with the Turo community to learn from other hosts and improve your strategies. Regularly update your listing to keep it appealing and competitive in the market. By following these steps, you can effectively use Turo as a source of passive income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.